Turn it off for you.
Who's doing Doc? Question.
Oh,
Dark.
I didn't even know.
Dark said he wanted to.
I already locked in Mom, so
There you go.
Dark wanted to play Doc.
I'm locked in.
All right.
Dirk did say that, but
Take
he made it
Carly
loopsy.
C4.
Yep.
When did I didn't say anything.
Make Mozan play Doc.
Well, now it's too late.
I gotta kill stuff.
The only way to win. Mozan, you can't never kill. I'm just kidding.
Yes.
Fucking
It is
crap.
fucking freezing in here.
Yeah, you're just going off of that rumor Jay passed where he said I said Mozam was a noob. I was like, what?
I just popped over there and trolled Jay for a minute. He was like, Brim's the #1 jaytuut hater.
Oh. Well, you should
Hey,
tell
guns,
him
hey,
happy
guns.
birthday.
LG
'cause it's his
shotgun.
birthday tomorrow.
Jay's birthday tomorrow?
RPK right here.
Alright. Like
I'm
tomorrow,
telling
that's tomorrow or tomorrow.
Needs to.
The 30th. So,
Actually, that's
Also
my
good.
mom's birthday.
I need a gun.
Yeah, I can shit.
Yeah, that should be mama.
No.
Tac shotgun there.
Meds in here. I'll bring in.
I took
some-
the RPK to bring it in.
Oh, okay.
Oh, are you
take it.
right
Big
behind
guy
me?
shot.
Here, right there.
I was
We gotta
thinking.
get in though.
No, I
here.
can't find a shotgun.
Come toward us. We gotta get in. Gotta get in.
Alright.
C4.
On the way.
Help. He's gonna need cover.
Yeah. You.
How does the Ripper not see you? What? How did he not even crouch? That's crazy.
Someone rippered me through the wall.
Raven, did you turn your roll off?
You know he did.
Ah, you're a
How'd
You're
you
a
play the last one? Why, you were playing?
Cowboys get me in the corner,
Oh.
yo.
Actually, I might play. I'm headed to Shadow's house right now, so I might play on his PC just to prove you a point that you
Who
fucking
is
suck.
So close. Okay.
Just leave me here a minute. Oh,
Oh,
all right.
Let me get out of here. There we go.
All right. Yeah. Right. Damn it.
I'm gonna try to get to Mozan. Try.
Fuck, if I can ever reload.
Wait, there's no more for
Never mind.
Yeah.
There's a shredder in the back. Shredder in the back.
He's dead. He's dead. Hallboys are coming out.
By the way, pills
Alright,
if you
Back
need them.
wall.
Sorry, I just kind of went on autopilot there and chose mom enemies there.
I held for no reason because I was also going on autopilot.
Yeah, it's all good.
I lost my fucking
This isn't our first
RGB
one yet.
remote, so that's great.
Why are they going after me, dude? What'd I do?
So that's just great.
I just came in here, man.
Let me grab
I'm
these
innocent,
pills.
I'm innocent. Thank you.
Drop some LMG ammo.
Gotta push this out.
ammo.
Oh, card
Alright,
right here. Card here.
I'll wait, shit, I'm using rifles.
Drop LMG ammo C4. Rifle LMG ammo.
Yep. There you go.
I get them pretty low, actually. Because they keep running into the room to get me for some reason.
There's it back there.
Somebody missed the other card.
Okay.
Shredder.
Yeah, because I haven't been able to get out of the room because
I
they
got
keep
knocked out.
running in on
What
me.
the? Wow. Well, Mama just
Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Shoot
I have
him,
no
shoot him.
idea.
Somebody's gotta get their card there. Somebody's gotta get their card there.
That's
Yeah,
over
now
there.
that
I need a revive.
There we go.
I'm coming. Got him.
Okay, I'm watching out.
Shoot.
I need a better gun than this goddamn.
All the way on me.
Did I heal you? No? Yeah. I can't
Hallway,
see
hallway.
So,
green.
I'll take a heal in the bedroom here.
Storm's coming. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we do need to get out at some point here. Yep.
You got a Ripper on the door. Trying to get me down.
Yep.
Oh, Shredder
trying
is
to get us
back.
both.
Is gonna go there.
Shooting him,
Yeah.
shooting him.
I'm trying not to go down the acid.
Fuck. I'm trying not to as well, because one
Ripper
Rex,
back
Rex,
here. I'm
Rex.
definitely, yeah. I mean,
Oh, the Rex back.
He's still alive. He's still alive. Yep, he got it.
Get revives, get revives, revives.
Nope. Okay.
Need the next big thing here, Dark. Need the next big thing.
Okay, I'm probably gonna go down again.
Christ, dude.
Shredder.
Let's keep getting revives, I guess, here. I'm low on ammo.
Yeah, me too. Fuck.
The
Nade,
wretch is
shoot.
right there. Yep. No, you can't. You're not.
Nade
gonna
it,
get
Dark.
You're
Nade it,
not
nade
gonna
it,
get
Dark. Nade it. Throw a nade, Dark. Throw a nade.
Got it.
I don't.
Alright.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Y'all got a lot more time for being stuck in that room than I expected.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Usually that room is like a tomb if you know you're all in it and a shredder gets through, but
He's really not wrong.
Dig in and
Yes,
hold
no.
them back.
I was fine for it. I was trying to lead them away from it because they were just
oh,
dive
you
bombing
shredder
and
bug.
Are we? Alright.
No, I'm asking. I don't know. I'm asking.
I think we are.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Fuck, we just talked about it. We gotta be telling people.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Oh, we can
Hello?
hear you. Yeah, we can hear
Okay.
Might do something
Alright,
a little
so what do we
different.
upgrade?
Might do something a little different here, maybe.
Yep. I'm holding on mine.
Don't want to stack Raker.
you. You could ask if they just want to restart. I mean, it's only round 1A that's played right now. It's up to y'all. It's either that or they don't get shredder next round.
I could ask.
I mean,
Half
it's up
it-
to you guys.
Well, it's half the time. The rule hasn't changed.
No, it should 100%.
The rule hasn't changed. Talk to Keith. On a vote
Keith's
or
like I said
whatever.
the other day, Keith's never here anymore.
You gotta talk to him. He was here tonight.
Well, yeah, he was for like all
Alright,
2
so
games.
I know we're talking about this, but where are our points gonna go?
Yeah,
so,
spend your points.
yeah.
Yeah.
Let me spend first.
Yeah, Mozam, spend your points.
Yeah,
Mozam,
Raven, shut the fuck up.
Mozam, spend your points. Mozam,
Yep.
make sure you spend them.
What do you want?
There, why couldn't Matt do that
Three
the
weapons,
previous game? There we go.
So I'm gonna guess we're gonna
See,
go
do,
tall boy defense.
Yeah, do tallway defense, addicted, I guess, and then
Well, go ahead.
Yeah,
Whoever just did
yeah.
that.
or C4 do tallboy defense. Yeah.
All the way?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
And probably I don't
Do you want to maybe do 2 of offense and the stun resistance?
probably Reeker offense twice and Reeker utility twice as well.
Yeah.
And then Dark hit Reeker utility there and tallboy offense twice.
Okay. I just didn't want to miss click. Alright, I have 100 left.
8 and 9 seconds.
You could do Reeker defense and tallboy utility.
Not a soul. Was
Okay.
it?
Very
Yeah, that
solo,
makes sense.
so
And then
solo.
try to
So-
somebody go Crusher. Somebody go Crusher and get the
Very
guy by
slow.
himself. Somebody go Crusher. Get the guy by themselves. No, but other way, Dart. Other way. Outside, outside. He's there. He's at front door.
This one, this one, this one.
Oh, I see him. Never mind.
There you.
What?
Did you click twice?
Double click.
No, I think it was my controller. I've been having trouble with it.
Wow. That's, God. You're just struggling just to kill all of them.
Mozam, get him.
I'm getting heavy urchin damage, full
Trying to
stack.
fix the button. The button's sticking a little bit. Alright. Get the angle on this. Yeah, they're fighting.
They have a propane.
No, they're saving it.
Oh, the spikes just wrecked Jay.
Oops. I got too close. Turn around.
Alright, they just used the propane.
Not doing any good out here, so.
I think you're doing really well.
Well, kind of, but I want to get more damage.
Heavy damage.
Mm-hmm.
I'm good.
Oh, spikes are tearing them
Yeah.
up.
No, they did. Wow.
Max
Oh,
stack.
wow. More than I thought.
Oh, they naded and killed me.
It doesn't feel as
They
like
needed me.
visceral as it's all by yet. I can't explain.
Yeah.
Like, I don't even realize it first.
I didn't know they were gonna nade you, or I would have stayed away from them.
Well, you know, shit happens.
Walker
I go
has
for
the
the stacks. Wow. Alright.
I also think Walker's out of ammo.
Oh no. Well, the
Get an
ammo
angle
crate
on
is
that,
right
but-
there. If we
He
do
might have
get
gone
out.
through it already. All I see him is shooting his pistol. Okay, now he brought it down. But... Oh, they're all together in the back.
Oh, urchin dream, urchin
That sounds
dream.
nice.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Yeah, push him
All
hard.
together.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
That's a double down.
Yep. Come on, come
It
on.
is.
They're just leaving the
worse.
dock?
I would.
This is a
Like
good spot
everybody-
for Ripper in the hallway. Ripper at the
Oh.
end of the hallway.
Yeah.
Hey,
hard.
he
like that.
murdered me.
Oh, they're starting to try to come out. They're starting
Yep,
to try to come
he's
out.
gonna try.
Well, I'm not gonna let him. I'm gonna try and keep him with spikes.
Hold up. And Walker's, instead of shooting, trying to go for stuff.
I'm gonna regret
Oh,
that.
because maybe it's 4:30 and it's only
23
Yeah,
seconds.
4:12.
everybody's
There.
hacked.
23 seconds. Last one up. He did.
Everybody
it.
get in, everybody get in, fast.
I'm trying.
Lock the
Oh my
revives,
God, oh
lock
my
the
God, oh my
revives.
God.
Oh, fuck.
Nah, see, this is
Get
why
the screen going.
Jay,
Well, you know,
no,
Schroeder.
died, Jay died.
Man, we made an effort though. We did make an effort out of it.
Yeah, it is.
That's why currently we should go back to the old shredder rule though, because now that we know how to avoid it, I mean, y'all definitely would have won that round if you had a shredder. That was way too close for them to be struggling that much with only an urchin.
Yeah. That's where I take my satisfaction from. Instead of the obvious satisfaction of a shredder.
We want to go tell them about the halftime thingy.
Tell them full time. We need to be enforcing that now that we have a solution.
Enforce what? We have no rule for that.
Well, we need it because now we have a solution for it.
Talk to Swarm Daddy.
Like I said, he's never
Take your concern to your local Swarm representative.
He went out to get a new sail and he never came back. He abandoned us. He told us when he went for the rudder that would be the last time, but he lied.
Now here. C4, you would do Recur Utility all the way? Recur Utility?
Yep.
Can't hit that yet. Then, the Addicted could do Recur Utility.
Okay.
Tallboy offense.
Riga utility, Tallboy offense.
And Recur offense. Dark, do all the commons at once. And then, Horde and Power.
Yeah.
All right. Jay. Making his sniper no.
Mozam, you still have 75 points.
I can't buy anything with it.
Buy something.
Okay, Stinger health.
There you go.
You can partially buy Gretch health.
Heavy damage, keep it up.
Oh, one's out.
Heavy
Shit.
damage, they're all three
Fuck.
red, 3 reds.
Mhm.
That was probably about 400 or 500 damage in a short time.
Got Carly's
Yes. Oh, hell yeah. We like this.
Another one down.
down. Happy birthday.
Come on, yeah, stay on the edge. Come on. Fuck. Get off of there.
Oh,
Up
there you
on
go.
the bridge.
Yep, it's a weird down.
I can keep him
I
busy,
got
keep him
popped.
busy.
Sorry.
Oh.
Fuck, he got by me.
I think Jay heard me say happy birthday. And shot me as soon as he got back up.
All of them letting the shredder.
Craziness.
Shredder
Burns
bees
in
on the
the
wild. He knows I'm here, he's staring at me though. I can't peek with Walker. Wow.
I'll keep him occupied for a little bit.
Shoot.
Nice.
They go down again at least. There.
Yep.
Get mom down again probably. He's 2 tap.
What you gotta
Walker
do
have
is...
a Barrett?
Yes, he does.
Yeah.
He's got 2 as 1.
Oh, lovely. Get out of that
One
spot,
tapper.
you bastard.
1 tapper.
Lucky got healed. Alright.
Yeah.
On revive.
Stop shooting.
Alright.
Oh, I got in a bear trap. Well, that's okay. One less bear trap for everyone else.
That guy's going down to common, I can tell.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Double
nice,
down, can we block
nice.
revives? Let's block
I'm gonna
revive.
try it at
We
1
both.
second.
They're using grenades now.
I mean, I would. Shit. Stop dancing, fucker. There we go.
Oh no. What? Oh, okay.
He might go down again. Yeah.
Yep.
That's gonna be. Reg is gonna be last life when he gets up. Just kill. Get mom. Get mom. The red one. Get mom. Red mom. Red mom.
Yeah,
Anybody?
gotta get up there. I can.
Use the different angles. Oh, you gotta heal.
Wow, they've got a good circle.
Alright.
Mom's on the back. As soon as I can get up.
I mean, he's playing it smart. He's not like sticking his neck out, which.
Oh shoot. Another
That's-
split. Little.
That's bad.
Oh shit. That is bad. Now if I can
Oh,
fucking spawn.
You got given to somebody else though.
go.
Get down in this pit.
Oh, that's right. Rich has 5 lives. Okay.
Yes, Roach runs with 5.
Going for revive.
Well,
Want to make him waste it.
he died.
I got naded.
That's
They're
why.
defibbing. They're defibbing.
But he's gonna go down again because
Yeah, I
he's
got
gonna
naded
die.
again.
Okay, full down again. Alright.
Gotta end them here pretty soon.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
they're getting the perfect circle.
They really are.
Yeah, they kind of are.
No, I mean literally the perfect circle. It's gonna close on the room. There's only 2 of them left.
And the other ones are all dead.
Oh wait, I take it back. Maybe it's slightly going towards the now they're getting perfect.
Going down them up here. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
That is it.
Damn, for that circle, it's they gotta stay red the entire time. If they got 5 minutes, they would have still had upper and lower level.
Yep.
Jay said, "What is a shredder bug?"
Why are they shredder bugs too? Did the shredder die
No,
at the end?
because I said to him, "You guys were shredder bugged us, so you gotta wait." And he's like, "What does that mean?" I'm gonna come in.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
good.
bring
Dark is
some
also
light
in this
resin
pit,
combat.
so
Yeah, am I really? I guess I should spawn
not
them.
the not
no,
the
no, no,
trench,
no.
just the
No, no.
pipe, I guess.
Oh, the pipe.
Yeah,
okay.
but you
The
can't come in because yeah.
bear. I'm lonely out here though.
Yeah.
Check this bucket right here because there's a hit that spawns in there sometimes. See.
Alright.
I guess we're ready. Just take guns.
Alright.
I found toolkits.
Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. I don't mind that at the start. Yeah, I'll take that for now.
Swarm of insects as well. Best to stay clear of it. We pulled back the local defenses evac.
Yeah.
Their equipment should still be on the ground.
Start here.
Cards open.
I got this one.
I'll be taking that.
Yeah. Phoenix here, if anybody's...
There's a pump shotgun up here.
Oh, is there? I'll come get it.
Ooh.
Yeah, I like 870s. Alright.
Whoa!
What the?
I don't know
I
what
don't
that
know what
was.
happened there.
Meatball, acid, and a tall boy hit, I think. Talk down.
It was
Technically, they should be happy to play a stinger, though. You're not supposed to be able to do any kind of a second reaper for the team shredder mode.
Aussie thing? Ripper in. Got it. Made it. Oh no. I think they crossed each other, right? Got 'em confused.
Let's
D4's
not all
gonna need a
stand.
heal when you
Let,
get to the.
yeah, let's not all stand on C4 focus. Never mind.
But yeah, you have. Okay, never mind.
There are 2 dead. Wretch dead and Roper dead. Wait, they have
C4.
double Wretch? What?
Do
They have a reeker. I said that before, yeah. I mean,
Was that a Reeker or a Wretch?
there's a wretch and reeker. There's a wretch and a reeker.
Oh, it's 2 Wretches.
Somebody. I'm gonna tag these in case somebody
It's possible.
doesn't have nades.
Yeah, I dropped them. It's okay.
Any of your coming. Oh,
Health
okay.
kit at the bottom too.
Do you still want them?
You can have them if you need them or whatever.
Okay. I'm gonna leave them for the team, but I was just
Oh.
curious.
Oh, he exploded me out. That's what it was.
Ah, shit. Oh wait, we're getting swarmed out anyways. Alright.
Not close to dead, but it's still close.
Yeah, not liking the circle.
Where's Mozam?
Just hanging out in this corner right here.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. That's the good defensible corner.
Hopefully at least.
Of what we have left, I guess.
Hawker dead. Moon was trying to hawk me.
Man, we don't have much to.
There's a nade in
I
this
guess we'll,
box, though.
at least we have a back against the wall here. Thank you.
Ripper's
Oh,
low.
man.
Ripper's low. There we go.
Somebody can draw me a shoddy when you get a chance.
Oh, they're on Shredder. Okay.
Where is
Stuck
Dark?
animal there.
I'll come.
Where are they hitting the down person? Silly.
Where are you?
There's a
though?
shredder
Where are
right
you?
here.
I'm
I'm
Oh,
underneath.
okay.
I'm
Gotcha.
underneath. Yeah, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright,
Ripper dead.
there, I got him. You got C4.
Yeah.
Give C4 a
Okay.
heal of some sort if
Good.
you
I
can.
can't stop.
Trying to keep shit off you.
C4 is healing himself, it looks like.
Yeah, try not to heal.
Shredder. Ooh, that was tricky. That was a tricky
No, I mean,
spawn.
he's healing himself with his melee.
Yeah.
thing.
Oh, okay.
I am.
Yeah, that's why I left them calm and more or less. Because I realized that after the fact.
I got blown in the pit.
He, shit, got me. Fucking hell. Alright. Got anybody back there? No. Doesn't look like it. Ripper.
Ripper's low. There we go.
Okay, yeah, we got Ripper. Somebody did.
Now C4.
Can somebody drop me a shoddy while we're quiet? I got like 18 bullets.
Shoot. I'm in the pit. Wait.
Somebody. Okay, here.
Shotgun.
I got Dark. I got Dark.
Yeah.
If I can.
I
the
can try
hell?
to shoot if I can see. My head's underwater, so it's hard to see.
Oh, I know I can.
Crazy.
Shoot, we need
Can't
revives.
get me.
I needed that. We need revives.
That top boy's like one hit.
Good. I'm like so traumatized, it's crazy.
Where are you?
There's ammo
Right
right
here.
there. Ammo right there.
Right here. Okay, I'm gonna try to get to it, but I'm kind of
Oh.
fucked.
Sorry, I was looking for you.
Alright, I got the revive, that's all that matters. I'm not gonna get to the ammo.
Just try to run around and say,
There we go.
we're almost
There
there.
we go.
Fuck, alright.
Crap.
Sorry, I
You
tried.
almost had
That should
it.
give you enough time to run.
9 seconds. Can you make it?
He's got it.
That's a rough one.
Oh my gosh,
3
the
seconds.
pills. Couldn't
The
get the
pills
pills
are
off.
right there.
I grabbed the pills, but I couldn't get them off.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, so close.
They cheated. They used the meatball they weren't supposed to.
He did cheat. He used that
Yep.
to
They
explode
actually
me.
they cheated.
Yeah, yeah, which is why I'm looking at the time, I'm like, I have no regrets.
That's what happened to us. Where it was like, what the heck happened? Well,
I'm like, any other situation, we'd be